Hello kids, welcome back. Let's learn color name. Sky blue, purple, orange, black, green, light green, violet, blue and yellow. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letters A, B, C, D. Letter A to Z. Let's trace A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Pink color. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. Brown color. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion. Red color. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Light green color. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for star. T for tiger. Blue color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Orange color. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.